Some have already arrived. They walk among you, mere children, quiet and introspective. Many feel out of place in a world consumed by separation and conflict. Many more are yet to be born. They will come during times of upheaval, as the earth changes begin. These children are unlike any before them, born with the full human genome awakened. Their touch heals, and hope shines in their eyes. They will grow to lead communities and tribes, laying the foundation for a new world. We call this emerging society New Lemuria. And these young avatars, we call them the Rebuilders. Welcome to the Book of Derek.